Failed control board relays can produce correct terminal voltages while failing to energize the connected equipment, creating a misleading pass on basic voltage tests. When testing for relay failure, measure both control side voltage at the board terminal and the load side output under actual call conditions. A proper relay will show the expected control voltage and a concurrent load voltage or device activation. Use a multimeter set to the correct voltage range. Place the black lead to common and the red lead to the relay output terminal while initiating a call for service from the thermostat or control source. If the control voltage appears, but the motor, igniter, or other actuator does not run, suspect the relay contacts. Perform a voltage drop test across the relay by measuring between the common and normally open load terminal while the relay is commanded. A healthy relay typically shows near 0 volts drop under load, whereas a failed relay may show significant drop or open circuit. If possible, use a clamp meter to confirm current draw for motors or igniters. 0 or abnormally low current with correct control voltage indicates contact failure even when the board terminals read correctly. For safety, de-energize and inspect relay sockets and wiring for signs of arcing, heat discoloration, or pitting on contacts. Such physical damage strongly correlates with intermittent or failed relay operation. When replacing, choose a relay with matching coil voltage, contact rating, and timing characteristics, and bench test the new relay by applying the control voltage and verifying continuity and expected current flow before reassembly. 3 common mistakes are relying only on non-loaded terminal voltage readings, misinterpreting a correct control voltage as proof of a working relay, and failing to check wiring and connectors for intermittent contact. To fix the first, always test the relay under load or check the load side output while commanding the relay. To fix the second, measure current draw or perform a voltage drop test across the relay contacts during operation. To fix the third, visually and physically inspect terminals and harnesses, clean or replace corroded connectors, and confirm tight seating in the socket. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for repairs like control board or relay replacement, offering project matching and verified reviews to simplify hiring. Contractors can list services and receive leads from homeowners actively seeking repair work, making it easier to grow local business.